As you may recall from our earlier modules, in addition to student achievement, attendance, and discipline data, the ASCM National Model also uses other data, such as student surveys, pre-post tests, needs assessments, focus groups, or even anecdotal information from teachers, administrators, parents, or other stakeholders to help inform or provide context about what might be affecting or impacting student achievement, attendance, or discipline. This is called supplemental data. If you recall, supplemental data helps you dig a little deeper and consider possible root causes for any gaps or discrepancies in student achievement, attendance, or discipline. For example, you'd want to find out more about a certain class or grade level that has a high number of absences and why it's happening. Perhaps results from a needs assessment survey you used showed that students are reporting more incidents of bullying, or higher levels of stress, or not feeling safe at school, which could be contributing to the issues with attendance. These needs assessment survey results are an example of supplemental data that will help you target and prioritize goals for your program yearly and help you begin to think about strategies for reaching your goals. Schools often use surveys or needs assessments to gather this type of supplemental data, such as a panorama survey or even a locally created survey or needs assessment. And your school may have results that you use already with your counseling program. You may also get information from your teachers or parents. However, if you used our student needs assessment survey earlier, or you don't have any type of supplemental data and would like to conduct a needs assessment annually, we have a sample student needs assessment that you can use. It's in the form of a fairly short survey using a Google form. Just contact us to set up this needs assessment for you and your school. It's best to collect some type of supplemental data for your program annually. Contact me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org to set up a needs assessment for your school if you wish. As always, we're available for individual support through email, phone, text, or online with Zoom. If you need support, just reach out by calling, texting, or emailing me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org.